Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, another episode of Market Update, and specifically we are going to looking at the comparison between the average monthly sale price versus the average of the annual sale price. And we're going to see something happening right now in the current market. And let's take a look at that data, okay? But let's go some of the basic information about the active listing on the market right now is about 22,330 listing active on the market as of right now. Those are the ones that are available for sale and the buyer can make the offer immediately. That number compared to last month is only 21,510. Now, I agree that it is an increase, right? As we already know, recently there's a lot of listing backing on the market, mainly because there's a lot of listing cannot be sold on the market. But compared to the but the good news is in the next number, because the listing under contract is actually 8,621. That is an increase, right? Looking at the number right here, that is an increase from 8,358. So about 300 more listing that get offer and get an accepted offer during from 1 week, okay, as of today. The next number is days on market. This number doesn't change a lot compared to previous week when I report the value. It's only 41 versus 42 right now, so that's not much of a difference. The median sale price is now $440,000, okay, compared to previous week is $4,000 less. Compared to the previous month is $10,000 less. Now, the monthly comparison of the 2 weeks is not much different, about $10,000 reduction in terms of sale price, okay? The last but not least is a Cromford market index. This is the indication. This index is an indication whether we are in the buyer or the seller market. Right now, 105 signify that it is actually in a balanced market. No, between the buyers and the seller has the same negotiation power. Of course, this is the number for the entire Phoenix market. So if you are interested in purchasing or selling a property in a certain cities, it's really depend on that city as well. So if you need more information about that specific area, contact me and I will send the information to you. All right. Come right to the next point. Next information that I want to talk about is this is the monthly average sales price. Monthly average sale price. Now pay attention to this number. This is $549,000, okay? 861. This is critical because the difference is not actually that much, okay? The monthly average is 549,861 versus the annual average sale price is $550,000 and $701. So the difference is about 840. Right? The difference is about 840 between the two numbers. The thing that is significant is that the monthly average sale price is actually less than the annual average sale price. Now, that is a problem, okay? Because we don't want that happening. We're talking about the short term has the lower short-term price is lower than a long-term price. That means we already go past the foundation, the baseline, right? Is not good. However, though, I want to emphasize this is significant, okay? This is not the first time we see this. We see this situation. We see the short-term average sale price lower than the long-term average sale price from multiple situations. The most recent one is actually during COVID, right? During COVID, or actually the more recent one is 5 weeks ago when we received that, but it's go back up right away. This is only happening for today, okay? So we definitely do not want this situation happening for a long time, right? But if it happens for 1 or 3 weeks, that's totally okay. Once in a while, the short-term average is lower than the long-term average, and that is totally okay for that happening. But if happening for a long time, like back in 2007, 2009, right? We may have a problem because actually during that period from 2007 to 2009, we have a drop in price, correct? Yeah. So as everyone knows, during that period, we have a drop in price. So, but that have to happen for several months. This situation have to happen for several months. Right now, we don't see that. Why can I say that? Okay, how can I say that? I'm gonna show you this chart right here. Is a Cromford market index as of September 5th right here. As you see here, we do have a big drop from around April to July, right? This is the big, sorry, I cannot draw today. This is the very big drop, okay? But then, since August to September, the rate at which it dropped is actually lower. As you can see here, it's almost a flat line right here, right? So we don't see the market gonna be going further down. If you go to the buyer's market, it's really bad because right now at that time the seller has to drop the price significantly to be able to get the home sold. But as of right now, it is actually in the balanced market range. First of all, it is in the balanced market range, and secondly, it's flattened out. It's plateaued out. So it's going to be keeping that way. So we don't see that situation. We don't see anything. We don't see any evidence showing that we can potentially get a long period of time where the monthly average sale price keep lower than the annual average sale price. Of course, that is just based on the historical data, and historical data does not guarantee the future information, right? But we're just gonna show you some information right there, seeing that this is not the first time we see that situation. So don't freak out yet. I'm gonna continue monitoring the information for the next couple months, and will report to you immediately when I see something new on the market. All right, that's all I have for today, and thank you so much. If you do have any question, you know how to contact me. My cell phone number right here, 602-515-2442.